Hey guys, the brand sent me this laptop docking station / stand for free so I can check it out and create this video. I want to show you how unique and innovative this product is. Now, the first thing you're gonna notice about this is it's very tough. It's made out of this heavy duty aluminum material. Now to set it up as a stand, it's very easy. You're simply gonna open it up like so and set it to one of the 9 settings over here on the side. You're gonna put these feet down over here. Now they do have this traction control down over here so it doesn't slip and slide, and this over here so it holds your laptop in place. Now once you put it, you're gonna notice a very sturdy hold. But the most innovative thing about the stand, it's also a docking station. So you're just gonna plug it into your laptop. Now you got the functionality of a powered USB-C, a regular USB-C, you got a TF slot, an SD card slot here, and 2 regular USB-A slots. Over here, you also have an HDMI slot so you can plug in and enjoy up to 4K resolution. So it gives you a great ergonomic design, a stable hold, and when you're done, you can simply disconnect, collapse it back down, and now it's super transportable and lightweight. It even comes with a stylish case here so you can take it wherever you need to go or give this as a gift. So it's high quality, it works great, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who needs a docking station and a stand for their laptop.